Hearty welcome to everyone. In this video, we are about to see the Google tricks and secrets that everyone must know. Actually, we use Google search engine for various reasons, like for education, for searching for some medicines, searching for some recipes, for searching for some educational websites. It will be any application. But there are still some tricks which we don't explore. Those tricks which I feel that are best, I am going to show in this video. I can consider it as a part one. Let us go through those secrets one by one. Very first one, let us have a google.com here. Just go for do a barrel roll and you type, and you see that it will take a loop. If you type like this and enter, it will take a swing, a roll. It will go for do a barrel roll. Similarly, I will go back and once again check for one more trick. Let us go for second one. For example, if I want to see in a site, I type like site rediff.com/Kohli. I search like this, I'll get the news about Kohli only in the almost whatever the news the Rediff website has provided about Kohli, from latest to the old one. You can go like this. This is about another trick you can utilize. Not only rediff.com, you can go for any other website, any other news website or anything, and search for the keyword with the help here. Next one, counting a number. If you take a number like 875640988, any number, and we don't know, for example, let us take a telephone number. We don't know what is it's called in English. For that purpose, I type it as equal to English and keep enter, and it will tell us how much it is, how much value it is. See here, it will give us the values like that, how much it is, it will give the value for us. Similarly, I will go for the inbuilt calculator here. The Google have the inbuilt calculator. Let me take 2 plus 3. You can see here, if I click like this, it will give us the answer. It will have inbuilt calculator like this. It can be utilized like an inbuilt calculator also. Similarly, most of us search in Google for the movie names, like for example, Avengers. I want to see, I will type like this. It will show so many names like these things. But I want to see the movie and search for if this movie is provided in any of the websites or in the Google. What you have to do here is type the name of the movie, that is Avengers movie, any of the Avengers movie, and you have to type Google Drive. It means it tells us if anyone have saved that movie in any of the drives, it will show up us if they have make it public. You can see here in the Google Drive, some of the people have uploaded those movies. You can see those. You can directly go there and download the movies from the drive directly. Here's one more. Similarly, if you want to download a particular file regarding some topic, if you take machine learning, I go with :PDF. Only in that format I want. Search like this, you can see here PDF. You can see here you'll get only PDF. Similarly, if I go for any type like of Excel sheet format, we can few. It is if they are available, it will show us. If not, it will not show us. It will show some other like Excel. Similarly, if we go for double quotes, like I have to search for any particular topic. about one topic, we could double quote here to show us importantly about the topic. For the same topic, if I type R deep learning, it can show both. It can show machine learning or deep learning related to that. Similarly, I can type here and also to indicate both. This is how it works. That is double quotations. Similarly, I can move towards one more trick here, that is Google Mirror Search. If I type like Google Mirror Search, actually it has been killed by Google search. On water search, you can see here so many concepts of, let us look this one, charge rush. You can see here one by one is a topic, is going to kill it slowly. These tricks can be considered as fun tricks. This is the, see here, now it will turn into mirror one by one. You can search here. It will turn into mirror. This is one more important trick everyone must know.